Morning guys, so today's video is going to be all about what we get up to while living in our van. So currently we're living out here in Spain on the west coast of Galicia. The weather is incredible today, so let's show you what we get up to while living in a van. Annie's currently in bed, so let's go get her, make breakfast and start the day. So one thing people don't tell you about living in a van is how dirty this thing gets, and you spend most of your time cleaning the thing. The van is back being tidied, everything's put away, and there's supposed to be a lovely walk over here, so we're going to go on a walk. The struggles of a small van.
So every morning we try to get some sort of exercise done, because when living in a van in such a small space and you're always bent over, you can get very stiff.
This is the beauty of living in a van, is you wake up in different places every single day, you're surrounded by nature and you get to see some incredible spots. We just made it back from a walk and now it's time to get this bad boy charged. But there's a problem, because in Spain you can't put your solar panel outside your van because that's considered camping, but you can put it on the roof. That's not considered camping, so let's get the solar panel up on the roof, get some power. So right now the generator is producing 67 watts coming through the roof. There we have solar panel up on the roof, not breaking any laws. We're allowed to do that, that's not considered camping. So we're producing 67 watts of power right now, and in no time our jackery should be charged. These here things are a must when you're living in a van. We've just come back from our walk and we've realised that we've ran out of water. And the worst thing about today is it's the weekend, so we can't move the van because we're going to lose our spot and we have no water. We can't drive anywhere, the closest place is like 20 minutes away, so I'm gonna have to walk into town, buy some water, and I think it's like a 2-kilometer walk, so it's gonna be fun walking back with 8 kilos of water.
Sí, 3:17.
So I'm just finished working on the laptop, and today is that hot that we are going to have some cold lunch, just salad, because this heat is unbearable. So we're just finished lunch and now I'm tidying up the van. Shane is outside because when tidying up the van it's better if there's only one person.
We just finished up tidying the van after some lunch, and now we're heading down to the beach to relax for a few hours before we go and try to find our next park up for tonight. Now it's time to have our van life shower. We're not fortunate enough to have a shower in our van, so we have to do it otherwise.
This solar bag where we put water and it heats up, it has a wee thermometer there to tell you the temperature of the water. Right now it's not really working.
It's been in the shade all day, so
yeah, it's not gonna be too hot, which we don't want it. And then we pour it into this bucket, and then we use our pump.
We have electric shower pump that we put in here, and we have a trigger that we can shower ourselves with. Usually hot water, but this time it's going to be cool because it's been in the shade. So that's it, how we shower in our van. This is what our evenings consist of. Looking for places to park using Park4Night. Usually it's very simple, sometimes it can be tricky, and when you're in an area that hasn't really much to do, it can be difficult enough to find somewhere to stay. So hopefully we get some. If not, we'll have to stay here. We found a place on Park4Night. It's only like 15 minutes away, so we're going to go check it out. If we don't like it, we might come back to this place, we don't know. But let's see what it's like. We're after making it to where we're supposed to be staying for tonight, and it's just a huge car park. It's pretty full, and there is a few spaces left, but we like the other place better. It's only 10 minutes away, so we're going to head back. Our batteries are fully charged now anyway, so we're going to head back to the place we stayed last night, and then we're going to stay there for the night. It's a nice sweet place. So we got back to the park up where we were last night, and I think we want to spend the night here. A few cars and campers have left, so there's plenty of room, and Fergus's identical twin is still here. So I think we're going to stay the night here. So now it's 9:30 and it's time to make some dinner, and tonight we're having pizza, but we don't have an oven, so we're cooking pizza in the pan. I'm cooking the dinner, and he is finishing off the YouTube video that will already be out by the time you watch this video, so
go watch it.
Go watch it if you haven't already seen it. So this is the reality of living in a van. We have pan cooked pizza. We're sitting up here alongside the beach, just finishing up some work, and then we're going to get ready for bed. So it's 11:30 and now it's time to go to bed. So let's show you how we turn this van into our bedroom.
There you have it, guys. That's what it's like to live in a van like this one. As you can see, van life is such a relaxed way of living. You don't really know what time it is. You go with the sun, you do whatever you want. There's not many plans. It does have some challenges like finding water or emptying your water, electricity, charging all your solar panels, but all that there is just like you can't compare that to the benefits that you get from it. So we love living van life, and this is more or less what our days look like. Yeah.
And van life can be very cheap depending on what way you want to do it. Today, for example, all we spent was €3.17, and that did us for the whole day. We wild camp all the time, so that's free, and today we only spent the money on getting some water because we ran out of water. Usually that's free, we can get that at any service station, and throughout all of Spain they're everywhere and it's free. So it is a very cheap way of living, and we love it, and it's a great way to save money.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about the van build, anything at all related to the van, drop it down in the comments. We will help you out. And check out our Instagram at @ShaneNannyVanLife, and our TikTok, which is the same. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.
Bye.